Namaskaram, Namaste, Vanakkam, Sasriyakal, Adab, Assalamu alaikum, and have a good day. So, we are going to start our new series. But before starting our series, let me explain to you one more questions answer. कि बहुत लोग पूछा कि मुझसे कि क्यों करना है ऐसा सीरीज, why you should start such a series, why you should educate people, why should I share my knowledge to others. That is the question. क्यों? Because I think it's the fundamental right of every human being that he or she should know what, who, how, why about anything about this creation. Every being of this creation have a right to know about the creator, about the whole creation, about his duties, कि ये दुनिया में उनका क्या क्या ड्यूटीज़ है, क्या क्या करना है. क्रिएटर, द गॉड, सुप्रीम कॉन्शियसनेस, दैट सुप्रीम एनर्जी उसके अंदर क्या कर रहा है, एंड हाउ एवरीथिंग इज कॉन्सनट्रेटेड इनसाइड योर हार्ट. कि वाई शुड यू एक्टिवेट योर हार्ट, कि अपना हार्ट क्यों एक्टिवेट करना है. क्योंकि इफ़ यू आर एक्टिवेटिंग योर हार्ट यू आर कनेक्टेड टू द real God itself, then you yourself is a God. So that is why I have given the name to this series as Tattvamasi. That means it is you. वो आप ही है. It is you only. वो आप ही है और कोई दूसरा नहीं. So that is the real essence of this series. So this I want to convey to all. सब लोगों को, सब लोगों तक ये जानकारी पहुंचना है कि वो सब पावर जो क्रिएटर, जो भगवान में है, वो सब पावर अपने 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 दिलों में है. सो बस छोटा सा ये हार्ट एक्टिवेशन करने से आप खुद भगवान का रोल कर सकता है. वाट एवर थिंग्स यू कैन डू, वाट एवर थिंग्स यू वांट टू डू, वो सब हो जाएगा अपने आप. That is a wonderful thing, no? So that is why I wanted to start this. And one more thing, let me tell you one story that why you should know the shit about these things. Because आप लोग क्यों जानना है ये सब. Okay, once a little girl around 10 to 12 years, she was traveling in a flight. Okay, in a flight she was traveling. So she was sitting just near the seat of a person who was an elderly person, and he was an atheist. Atheist मतलब कि वो नास्तिक, those who don't believe in God, बोलते हैं कि सब साइंस है, कोई भगवान नहीं है ऊपर या नीचे. So such type of people are called as atheist. And ये atheist के बगल में, just near to that person's seat, this little girl, छोटी लड़की, she was around 10 to 12 years, she was also sitting, and they were both going the same flight. The atheist was thinking, just to have a time pass, he will talk to this girl so that the journey will be more happier, like it will cut easily. तो एथिस्ट ने सोचा कि थोड़ा बात करते हैं ये बच्ची से. She was reading a book, asked, why don't we have a talk so that the journey will be more like happier and we won't feel bored. So एथिस्ट ने ऐसा पूछा कि हम थोड़ा बात कर लेते हैं, तब तक जर्नी आराम से गुजर जाएंगे. तो द गर्ल आस्क्ड, ओके बट अबाउट व्हाट, कि किस चीज़ के बारे में हम बात करेंगे. तो एथिस्ट ने सोचा क्रिएशन, धरती, सूरज, चांद, भगवान, इसके बारे में बात करते हैं. क्योंकि यूजुअली एथिस्ट लोग, नास्तिक लोग ऐसे ही होता है कि किसी को भी मिले वो बहस करने के लिए रहता है कि ये नहीं है, वो नहीं है, ऐसा नहीं है, बिकॉज दे बिलीव इन साइंस. Little girl just agreed, okay, let us have a talk. But before that, let me ask you one question. Okay, तो ये बच्ची ने बोला कि ओके, बात करने से पहले मैं आपसे एक सवाल पूछूं. Girl asked, The real question. Okay, this question matters really. Goat, cow, buffalo, donkey, all these animals usually eat the same stuff, grass or related similar stuffs. All they all eat almost the same things. But when they shit, it has different shapes, it has different color, it has different smell. Why is it like that? Hearing this question, this atheist was surprised. ये क्या question है? So atheist was surprised to hear this question, and he told casually to that girl, I don't know about that. So this girl smiled at him and told, if you don't know anything about this shit, then how you can talk about such bigger things like creation, God and all? By hearing this, this was like, so this is the main reason why I am going to talk about this subject, why I have started this series, so that you all should not be like that atheist, wondering that I don't know anything about this shit. So you should know about the shit. So that is why I am going to start this series. Please do be with my channel and just know what all things you should just know. Wait for some more days. We'll be starting with the episode 1. So all of you should watch and do stay with my channel. Okay, give the likes and the subscribes so that you and me can be connected as just like our hearts.